We're talking about the protests which are underway. Doctors on a warpath demanding justice. Kolkata witnessing a series of protests with political parties, several organizations marching on the streets. Amid the uproar, a two-day special session of the Bengal Assembly is going to be held from today to pass an anti-rape legislation. BJP is supporting it, though they continue to protest against the government. A stringent bill proposes to treat all rape incidents, even if the victim survives, as a murder, to be punished with death penalty or life imprisonment. The bill is going to call for a time-bound trial and a hefty compensation to be collected from the guilty here. Meanwhile, BJP continues to train guns at Mamata Banerjee, accusing her of shielding goons and rapists in Bengal, calling RG Kar incident a national tragedy. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar has said that the barbarity has been expressed in its extremity.
For the first time in my life, I am totally drained out. It took me a lot of courage to come to this place, but I could not have left the land of gods without being accountable before you all. On August 9, 2024 was not an incident, not a culpable act. It was barbarity expressed in extremity, shaming humanity. And the victim happened to be from a category, a class that is ever devoted to saving lives.
देखिए प्रशासन पूरी तरीके से फेल्यूर हो चुकी है और यहाँ पे जो पुलिसी व्यवस्था है, पुलिसी व्यवस्था पूरी तरीके से टूट चुकी है और इसके लिए जिम्मेदार जो है वो ममता बनर्जी है। इसलिए ममता बनर्जी को कोई मोरल अधिकार नहीं है, नैतिक अधिकार नहीं है कि अपने पद पर बैठे रहे। वो अपना पद छोड़ के जाए, इससे ही बंगाल का मंगल है।
मध्यम ग्राम के टीएमसी का पंचायत अरेस्ट हुआ है, उसका घर जनता ने तोड़ा है। ये पूरा गुंडा रेपिस्ट का हाथ में बंगाल है और जो बात यहां से हमारी लीडर लोग ने बताई ना, इसका जड़ और इसका आर्किटेक्टर ममता बनर्जी खुद। स्टेप डाउन ममता, शी शुड रिजाइन।
If Mamata Banerjee remains the chief minister and this party, TMC, stays in government, then definitely, this is going to continue because there is no law and order in this state. There is no law and order. They don't believe in the constitution. They follow Mamata Banerjee's constitution. They don't follow Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. So they are bringing a bill tomorrow in Vidhan Sabha.
কপিল সিব্বল তিনি ধর্ষকদের বাঁচাতে কেন সুপ্রিম কোর্টে দাঁড়িয়েছেন? ভুল। সুপ্রিম কোর্টে ধর্ষকদের বাঁচাতে কোনো লয়ার দাঁড়াননি। মামলাটা হয়েছে সুপ্রিম কোর্ট নিজে করেছেন, রাজ্য সরকারকে পার্টি করেছেন। তাহলে রাজ্য সরকার পুলিশ যে ব্যবস্থা নিচ্ছিল, অ্যারেস্ট করেছে, তো রাজ্য সরকারকে তো তার বক্তব্য জানাতে তো লয়ার দিতে হবে। তার সঙ্গে আচ্ছা কাকে বাঁচাতে যাবে? যাকে রাজ্য সরকার নিজে ধরেছে, কলকাতা পুলিশ নিজে ধরেছে, তাকেই বাঁচাতে যাবে? হয় নাকি কখনো? ফলে এই যে পারসেপশনটা দেওয়ার চেষ্টা হচ্ছে যে কপিল সিব্বলকে দাঁড় করানো হয়েছে একজন ধর্ষক খুনিকে বাঁচাবার জন্য, এটা একদম ভুল।
I can't say where the investigation is heading towards. We have the biggest institution of investigation in our country. It's a Central Bureau of Investigation who have taken charge. They are trying to crack, I think, Shondeep Ghosh. Good. If they can crack Shondeep Ghosh, I will be very happy. They have to find the nexus behind Shondeep Ghosh. Now, this can't be done overnight. This will take time. I think we are all getting a little impatient. While I agree that the protest has to go on, the protest must go on without this kind of shouting and without upsetting life in the city, life of the citizens.
So why there is no arrest? Why all those things were happening? So what was the principal doing? Why isn't he arrested till now? why there was so much lapse of time. So we talk about fast track, but it was really a fast track process of, destroying all the evidences. But the fast track has not happened. We have not got any kind of justice till now. So we have no alternative than to just demand and protest for justice.
The fact that these parties are thinking that only they know that they are strategizing, and we on the other hand are not being able to understand anything. Sirs and ma'ams, please understand, we are the people who vote for you, whether you be TMC or you be BJP. So don't underestimate us, the kind of politics that you are trying to play with this RG Corps in front. We all get it. And trust us, we are not a part of it. This case has not even been resolved. Let resolve go astray. We can't see any hope of light. And if you, like you said, if you look at the statistics of last week or last month, it's horrific.
Going straight across to Ritik Model, getting in more details in that big story, joining us from Kolkata. Ritik, the protests continue on the streets of Kolkata. The Bengal government is, of course, firefighting this crisis, planning to bring about a law that treats treats cases of rape in which the victim is alive as a murder case. Give us a sense of what all does this draft bill entail?
What we're given to understand that the West Bengal government is about to bring this bill against against rapists in a special session of State Assembly, which is going to be produced before the Assembly precisely tomorrow. But today is the beginning of that special session. What we do understand, we're getting a lot of information from the opposition BJP. Now, as far this bill is concerned, the sources said that it would have the provision for capital punishment, because from the very day one since this horrific incident happened in RG Corps Medical College, TMC, the ruling dispensation, demanding stronger law in the country against against rapists, and they said that anyone alleged in this crime and found guilty should be hanged, and the provision of capital punishment should be in the law. So what we're also learning from the sources, this bill will have mandate for a first track and speedy trial, and there will be time-bound specification in the bill within what period that the trial should be completed. So these are the action being taken by Mamata Banerjee, but it is not going to die down anger among the locals and also citizens in Kolkata, and particularly in BJP. What we are learning, though BJP has decided to support the move, but they are going to participate in discussion, but they are going to continue to raise slogans. And what we are precisely learning from our sources that today is going to be a very stormy day inside the assembly, when all BJP MLAs led by Shubhendu Adhikari, the leader of opposition, likely to stage unprecedented protest, and they are going to continue the demand for the resignation of the chief minister inside and outside of the assembly. So a lot of pressures are being built on Mamata-led government, and it would be interesting to see what else happen next. And tomorrow, when this bill will be produced, what moves will be taken by the opposition. Back to you.
All right, I'm going to thank you, Ritik Model, getting us up to speed with those details as far as the bill is concerned, and the protests, remember, continue in Kolkata.